Loughborough Business School is special. It's attracted academics who all have the same passion to make the world a better place. We think very carefully about the subjects we teach. We teach responsible management practice, and we also try to help our students find their own purpose.
The business of the future isn't just, profit and loss. It's looking at very challenging and critical questions going forward as well. And we want to make sure that you are going to be equipped to tackle whatever challenges are in front of you, but considering ethical and sustainable decisions.
We've got various platforms that we provide to our students and staff so you can develop those skills in AI literacy, data literacy. You'll learn how to do prompt engineering, for example, regardless of which program you're in, you will still get those vital skills. We have a platform that all of us have access to, so as part of your program, you get access to this from beginning to end, and it has certifications on it to help you get the jobs that you really want.
There are lots of ways that we make sure that our programs are going to prepare you for your future. So we have lots of employability skills built into our modules and our programs, whether it be having alumni come and deliver talks to you in lectures, or working with our faculty, some of whom have had industry careers in the past, and bring that really relevant practical knowledge into the lecture rooms for you as well.
Studying business or economics with us here at Loughborough will provide you with the transferable skills that you need for any future employment. Quite often our students go away to placement and they suddenly realise that they're using the skills that they've just studied in class. And then when they then graduate, they're very excited to try those things out because they've already practiced.
You're going to enjoy your undergraduate degree here, but you'll also gain those experiences and that education that you'll need to go on and have an excellent career in the future as well.